Hello dear viewers, how do you do? Hope you are fine. Today's topic is capitalization of English second paper. Now let's start with the capitalization. Number 1, Allah, God, Job, Lord and their pronouns. These are of creator names. The first letter of these creator names and their pronouns will be capital letter. Number 2, the first letter of every sentence, verse and quotation. The first letter of every complete sentence will be capital letter. Verse means poem line. The first letter of every poem line will be capital letter. And quotation is the point of narration, and we know that narration is a kind of grammatical chapter, and this is of two kinds, direct narration and indirect narration. And quotation is of direct narration. We find it in direct narration, and in this quotation we see that one or more than one sentence, and the first letter of these sentences will be capital letter in quotation mark. Number 3, proper noun and proper adjective. Proper noun means a specific name. The first letter of a specific name will be capital letter. Proper adjective, such kind of adjective which is derived from proper noun. In this case, the first letter of adjective, which is called proper adjective, will be capital letter. Number 4, I of pronoun and interjection word. I, the letter I, when it is used as an pronoun, in that case, the letter I will be capital letter. And interjection word, the first letter of all interjection words will be in capital letter. Number 5, day, month, post, title, abbreviation, term, historical event, addressing and personifying. Day. Example, 7 days in a week in English: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The first letter of these 7 days name will be capital letter. Month, for example, 12 months in a year in English: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The first letter of these 12 months will be in capital letter. Post. Post means position, designation. For example, head master, principal, assistant teacher, English teacher, prime minister, home minister. In this case, the first letter of every word will be capital letter. Title, Sheikh, George, Khan, these are called title. In this case, the first letter of every word will be in capital letter. Abbreviation, PECE, JSC, SSC, HSC, BA, MA, these are called abbreviation name. These will be in capital letter. Term, for example, first terminal examination, second terminal examination, third terminal examination, fourth terminal examination, annual examination, half yearly examination. In this case, the first letter of every word will be in capital letter. Historical event, for example, the First World War, the Second World War, the Battle of Palashi. The first letter of this word will be in capital letter. Addressing, we see that in application, email and letter, we use addressing. Hi friend, hi father, mother, sister, brother, dear sir, dear madam. These are addressing. The first letter of these addressing will be in capital letter. And personifying, when an impersonal word represents as a person, this is called personifying. In that case, we must give capital letter. For example, oh death, how cruel you are. DEATH, death. D will be capital letter. Number 6, language column, otherwise small letter. Language, when a word is used as a language or curriculum. In this case, the first letter of these words will be in capital letter. For example, English, Bangla, Hindi, otherwise small letter. 7, vexation, point of the compass, when vexation is used as an area. In this case, the first letter of this vexation will be in capital letter, otherwise small letter. Well, dear viewers, if you are benefited with my videos, please like, comment, share and do subscribe for more educational videos, and please click the bell icon for notification. Okay, thank you.